everyone, welcome to all, and this video is continued in English. If you want to watch this video in Malayalam, please do check the description box below. You will get the link there. This time I am here with a travel vlog, and the place which I visited is National Museum in Riyadh. And now in this museum, as a part of tourism development, a Korean National Museum exhibition is going on, and the date is till March 7th. The main intention of this video is to inform about this exhibition to all Riyadh viewers and also to share a glimpse of this place to all the viewers of this channel. So before going to the video, I am Zahra and you're watching the YouTube channel Whatido by Zahra. From this channel you'll get easy and yummy recipes and some of our travel vlogs, and we also do try to include our useful and informative experiences in this channel. So to get different and variety videos from this channel, please do subscribe by pressing the red button below. So let's get into the video, and now our trip is to Riyadh National Museum. Now we are near to the National Museum, and this is the parking area. Along with National Museum, you can see a beautiful park which gives a peaceful atmosphere. Now before going to the museum, I will show you the most attractive area of this place. This is the kids area. If any of you is not aware of this place, I am just informing you that it is a small play area for kids in the same museum park, and your kids will surely love it. Next, let's enter to the museum. So this is the National Museum here in Riyadh, and the Korean National Museum exhibition is going on here, and it is till March 7th. Through this video, you will not get a deep knowledge about this museum, but I'll try to give a vague idea about it. This museum is divided into different halls, and each hall represents each scene. And altogether they are trying to exhibit the past and present culture of Saudi Arabia. So let's walk through these halls and see what is there in it. So this was a small overview of this museum. Next we are going to visit the Korean National Museum exhibition, and for that there is a separate hall naming the Enhancing Journey to Korean Civilization. So let's enter into it. here the displayed ones are ornaments from Korean National Museum. So that's all about this Korean National Museum, and I just showed a tiny part of it. So now we are moving out, and now near to it there is another museum with free entry, but now I'm not entering inside because the time is too late. So I'm just showing the royal vehicles from outside it. This is also an awesome place to visit, so when you're coming to visit National Museum, try to visit this place too. So now I'm winding up my vlog, and I hope you like this place. If you like this place, try to visit at least once, and here you can enjoy with your kids too. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to this channel to get more different and useful videos. So next I'll be coming with a recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.